Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python for data analysis series. Today we will explore if, else and Elif statements which allow us to add logic and control flow to our Python programs. So what are conditional statements? Conditional statements are essential in programming. They enable our program to make decisions and execute specific blocks of code based on whether conditions are true or false. In Python, we use if, else, and elif for these decisions. The if statement is the simplest form of decision making. It evaluates a condition, and if the condition is true, the intended block of code runs. Remember, indentation is crucial in Python. When the if statement is not true, the else statement comes into play. It defines what should happen when the condition is false. This ensures that our code handles all scenarios. Sometimes we have more than one condition to check. That's where Elif comes in handy. It allows us to test multiple conditions one after another until a true condition is found. Now let's see an example. Suppose we are categorizing people into age groups. If the age is below 13, they are a children. Between 13 and 18, they are a teenager. Otherwise, they are an adult. Here are some best practices for using conditional statements effectively. Keep conditions clear and straightforward. Avoid deeply nested structures. And use logical operators to combine conditions where appropriate. Welcome to the demo session. Let's explore how if, else, elif work in Python through hands-on examples. Let's start with basic if statement. Let's take a number equal to 10 if number is greater than 0. Indentation is very important here, so please take care of that and print. Here, since number is 10, the condition number is greater than 0 is true, so it prints the number is positive. Now let's add an else block to handle when condition is false. Let's copy the same code which we have written above and change the number to -5, else print the number is negative. Since the number is -5, the else block runs and prints the number is not positive. Let's include multiple conditions with elif. Let's take the number 0 and if here we can see that we have checked multiple conditions and come to a conclusion that the number is 0. We can combine conditions using logical operators. Let's take an example. Age is equal to 25 and if age, it checks the condition if age is between 18 and 30, and since it is true, it prints young adult. In this demo, we explored to use if, else and elif to handle different conditions in Python. In the next video, we will introduce loops in Python, which allow us to handle repetitive tasks efficiently. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share with anyone who is interested in learning Python. Thank you and Jai Hind.